You're thinking about tiger plates? That's wild. I was thinking, what if a paper plate became a bumblebee?
Yes! With tiny wings made from shiny paper and a little smile in the middle.
You know what else would be cool? If we used see-through wings with clear plastic or tracing paper, they'd look like real wings in the sunlight.
Hey, look! Our idea just flew by.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever wonder how a plain paper plate can turn into a roaring lion or a superhero mask? Grab your glitter, glue, and googly eyes, because today, we're turning ordinary plates into extraordinary magic.
You know what's funny? Paper plates. They're supposed to be for snacks and cookies. But I think they've got bigger dreams. Like, what if a paper plate wanted to be a tiger face? With stripy ears and big eyes? Roar! That would be way more exciting than just holding sandwiches.
You're thinking about tiger plates? That's wild. I was thinking, what if a paper plate became a bumblebee?
Yes! With tiny wings made from shiny paper and a little smile in the middle.
And two twisty straws for antennae sticking out the top. Oh! And you could color the back like a sunflower so it looks like the bee is flying around flowers.
That's genius! Now I want to make a garden full of flying paper bugs.
Imagine if we made 3 bees in different sizes. Baby, big sister, and bumble mom. We could even use smaller plates for the baby one.
Oh, a whole bee family! You could fold the wings to make them pop out like they're flying.
And hang them from strings so they dangle from a stick or branch. A bumblebee mobile.
We could even draw tiny trails with glitter glue to show their buzzing paths. Like, squiggle here, loop there, zoom.
You know what else would be cool? If we used see-through wings with clear plastic or tracing paper, they'd look like real wings in the sunlight.
That's totally next level. Then we could layer 2 plates to make a 3D body, like a sandwich bee with puffy space inside.
We should give them names. Like Queen Isabella, Buzzby, and Baby Stinger.
And their job? Guarding the picnic snacks from ants. Hey, look! Our idea just flew by.
Now it's the time for quiz. Why might someone choose a paper plate to make a lion mask instead of using cardboard? Option A. Because paper plates are round and easy to paint. Option B. Because cardboard disappears when painted. Think about the shape and use of the paper plate. Option A is correct. Which picture shows a paper plate turned into a mask? Option A, several paper plates in different colors are placed on a table. Option B, a paper plate with cutout eyes and colorful decorations. Look for something that could be worn on the face. Option B is correct. Which picture shows a creative animal made from a paper plate? Option A, a paper plate folded and painted like a turtle with legs. Option B, a picture of a dog made from paper, but no plate. Good job! Option A is correct. Paper plates can be turned into 3D animals. You can only use paper plates for eating, not for crafts. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Paper plates are great for making fun and creative projects. Adding yarn, buttons, or feathers to a paper plate can help make a more exciting craft. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be dipping our brushes into the world of watercolor paints. Get ready for swirls, splashes, and surprises. Until then, keep spotting colors in the clouds and puddles. You never know what masterpiece they might inspire. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.